In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Wrike templates. If you've been looking to streamline your project management workflow and haven't delved into the world of templates yet, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in and make sure you're all set up to get the best out of Wrike's features. First things first, head over to your web browser and navigate to wrike.com. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login button. It should be visible on the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address to log in. Ensure you have your credentials at hand, and you'll be inside your Wrike account in no time. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left side panel. Here you'll see a variety of options. What you're looking for is a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to all the spaces and resources available to you. Give it a click and you'll open up more possibilities within your Wrike dashboard. Next up from the options listed, you need to select the plus sign next to the word space. This is where the magic begins. Once you've chosen this option, you'll be welcomed by a vast collection of templates. It's indeed impressive how Wrike provides you with a treasure trove of templates tailored for different needs, whether you're managing a team, planning events, or tracking project timelines. You'll be presented with hundreds of templates to choose from. Browse through these thoughtfully designed templates, and you'll surely find one that fits your project needs. If you're not sure which to choose, take some time to click on a few and get a feel for what each one offers. Once a template catches your eye, go ahead and select it. You'll now want to click on it and then hit Create Space. This action will allow you to create a workspace based on that template. This is where you customize the template to fit the unique requirements of your project or team. It's about making Wrike work for you. Now, you've created a new space from the template. From this point, you have complete control over the template setup. Tailor every element from tasks to timelines to align with your project's goals. The flexibility Wrike offers here is truly beneficial for efficiently managing projects. There you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge of accessing and using Wrike templates to elevate your project management skills. As always, the key is to experiment and customize until you find what works best for you. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your digital tools.